Fighter jets of the Saudi-led airlines pounded Yemen's Sanaa International Airport in the capital, setting 2 civilian passenger aircrafts on fire. It was the second airstrike targeting the airport in a week. The attacks on the airport has also halted humanitarian aid shipments to the capital. The death toll has reached more than 1,200 since the battles and airstrikes began in late March, and more than 3,000 people were wounded across the country. Hundreds of thousands of people, especially in the southern regions, were forced to flee their homes.